Hey everyone, today we are going to be making this beautiful card using the Blackberry Beauty Specialty Designer Series paper and a great layout by Don Griffith. And we're using the Peaceful Moments stamp. How great is that? So let's get started on how to do this. To get started, we're going to be using the Peaceful Moments, wishing you every happiness this special day will bring. Which is a cling stamp set, and I already have that mounted on one of my blocks. And we're going to need the brushed metallic cardstock. I'm using the gold. You can grab a big piece if you want, but we're going to be using this behind the embossed sentiment that we're going to do, and for 3 pieces that are going to be 4 1/4 by 1 inch. And then we are also going to need the Blackberry Beauty Specialty Designer Series paper, 3 pieces of different designs at 7/8 of an inch by 4 1/8. Like I just mentioned, so a scrap piece of very vanilla cardstock, one that's going to be cut at 4 by 5 1/4, Versamark ink, and our Blackberry Bliss cardstock, which is cut at 11 inches by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2 in the middle. So let's get started assembling this card. The first thing I'm going to do is adhere our designer series paper onto the gold foil using some liquid, multi-purpose liquid glue or Tombow glue. Next, I'm going to adhere our Very Vanilla onto the front of our card base. Then we're going to adhere the 3 pieces of designer series paper onto the front of the card. Next, I'm going to take our sentiment and we are going to stamp it in Versamark on that scrap piece of Very Vanilla cardstock and put gold embossing powder on it, then heat it up. I'm going to bring in my mini trimmer and we are going to cut the sentiment out, leaving just a little bit of a gap around the edges. Then I'm going to adhere my sentiment onto a piece of the gold foil, and then we will cut it out. We're then going to adhere the sentiment onto the front using dimensionals. And our final step is going to be using the Take Your Pick tool to add some of the gilded gems to the front of the card. And there you have it. There is our final card thanks to Don Griffith. I love this paper, this layout using the Blackberry Beauty Specialty Designer Series paper. As always, you can shop any of this product via the link in the description of this video. And if you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. Thanks!